Looking for simple, budget-friendly ways to refresh your garden, porch, or patio this summer without breaking the bank or needing fancy tools? Maybe you're working with a small space, or you want projects that don't require heavy lifting or complicated steps. I completely understand. That's exactly why I'm so excited to share today's ideas with you. Well, today I'm sharing 5 easy and charming garden hacks using items you can grab right at your local Dollar Tree. Yes, you heard that right. Dollar Tree. These aren't complicated projects that need a big toolbox or a whole weekend to complete. And no, you don't need to be a DIY pro or have a workshop full of tools. These ideas are simple, quick, and perfect for relaxing afternoons spent enjoying your garden at your own pace. So whether you have a cozy balcony or a little backyard corner, I promise there's something here that'll brighten your space and bring you joy. Stick with me, and let's get started on making your garden a lovely, budget-friendly haven. Hello friends, and welcome to Golden Years Lifestyle Hub, your cozy corner for gardening tips, fun DIYs, and home ideas made just for seniors like us. I'm so glad you're here to create something beautiful today. If you love easy, budget-friendly projects that bring joy and color to your outdoor spaces, please subscribe and join our friendly gardening family. We're all about making gardening simple, enjoyable, and relaxing no matter your experience or the size of your space. So, grab a comfy seat, maybe a cup of tea, and let's dive into these delightful garden hacks that you're going to love. Idea 1. Dollar Tree Painted Rock Garden Markers. Let's start with one of my favorite simple projects, painted rock garden markers. This idea is perfect for adding a pop of color and personality to your garden without any heavy lifting or complicated steps. Here's the concept. All you need are some smooth rocks. You can often find these at your local Dollar Tree, or if you enjoy a little stroll, pick some up from your own garden or nearby park. The best part? This is a gentle activity that's easy on the hands and can be done sitting comfortably at your kitchen table or porch. Once you have your rocks, give them a good clean with soap and water, then let them dry completely. Next, grab some outdoor acrylic paints. Dollar Tree usually has affordable sets that work great. Using a large brush, which is easier to hold, you can paint simple designs like bright flowers, stripes, or even write plant names to help identify your herbs and veggies. To make sure your art lasts through the rain and sun, finish by sealing your rocks with a clear varnish. You can find that at Dollar Tree too, or any craft store. I remember my friend Betty. She decided to brighten up her herb garden this way last summer. She painted cheerful little rocks with names like basil and rosemary, and it made her garden feel so much more lively and welcoming. Plus, it was a relaxing pastime she looked forward to each afternoon. A couple of practical tips. Keep your designs simple and fun. There's no need for anything too fancy. And use larger brushes if gripping small ones feels tricky. Remember, this is about enjoyment, not perfection. All your materials are easy to find at Dollar Tree. Smooth rocks, acrylic paints, brushes, and clear varnish. It's a wonderful way to add charm without spending a lot or needing special tools. So, why not try painting a few rocks this week? It's a small project that brings big smiles. Idea 2. DIY solar light mason jar lanterns. Next up, we have a lovely way to add a soft, magical glow to your garden or porch without any fuss. DIY solar light mason jar lanterns. This project uses simple, inexpensive mason jars paired with solar lights you can find at Dollar Tree, and it creates a cozy ambience perfect for relaxing evenings. Here's why I love this idea. It adds beautiful, gentle lighting without any wiring or electricity. These lanterns are lightweight, portable, and easy to move around as you please. Plus, they're completely safe and energy efficient. To make your own, start by picking up some solar fairy lights or solar jar lids from Dollar Tree. Next, clean out a mason jar. These can be new or ones you're reusing from kitchen staples. Simply place the solar light inside the jar. From there, get creative. You can decorate the outside of your jar with ribbons, a touch of paint, or natural accents like twine wrapped around the neck for a rustic look. I know a lovely senior lady, Margaret, who uses these lanterns every evening during her tea time on the porch. She says the soft glow makes her feel peaceful and connected to her garden even after the sun sets. It's such a simple pleasure that adds so much warmth to her evenings. A couple of handy tips. Make sure to place your lanterns in spots where they get plenty of sunlight during the day so the solar cells can charge fully. And if you prefer, There are battery-operated solar lights too. Just keep some fresh batteries handy. Materials are easy to find. Mason jars you may already have, Dollar Tree solar lights, plus optional paint or twine for decorating. It's an easy, beautiful way to bring light and charm to your outdoor space. Why not try setting up a few lanterns this week? They're sure to brighten your evenings in the best way. Idea 3. Upcycled plastic bottle flower tower. Now, let's talk about a fantastic way to create a beautiful garden even if space is limited. An upcycled plastic bottle flower tower. This vertical garden uses recycled plastic bottles decorated with simple supplies from Dollar Tree, making it a fun and eco-friendly project. Why is this great for seniors? It's lightweight, space-saving, and keeps your plants all in one spot, so watering becomes easier. Plus, it's a wonderful way to add color and personality to balconies, patios, or small corners of your yard. Here's how you do it. Start by cutting plastic bottles horizontally to create little planter sections. Next, use Dollar Tree paints or stickers to decorate each bottle. This is where you can let your creativity shine. Once decorated, stack or hang the bottles vertically by threading string through holes or hooking them onto a sturdy frame. Fill each bottle with lightweight soil, something easy for your plants to thrive in, and plant small flowers or herbs. Drought-tolerant varieties like succulents or marigolds work wonderfully here because they're low maintenance. I remember a wonderful story of my neighbor Joan, who turned her tiny balcony into a stunning vertical garden with this exact idea. She loves how bright and cheerful it looks, and she enjoys tending to her flowers without bending over or carrying heavy pots. A few tips. Use lightweight soil mixes to keep the tower easy to move if needed, and choose plants that don't need constant watering. Also, make sure your bottles have drainage holes to keep plants healthy. Materials are simple. Recycled plastic bottles, paints or stickers from Dollar Tree, string for hanging, soil, and your favorite flower or herb seeds. This flower tower is not only practical but also a delightful way to showcase your green thumb and creativity, no matter how small your space may be. Why not give this vertical garden a try and watch your little flower tower bloom? Idea 4. Dollar Tree hanging basket makeover. Let's move on to a wonderfully simple way to refresh your outdoor space. Dollar Tree hanging basket makeovers. This idea is perfect if you want to brighten your porch or patio without any heavy planting or messy soil work, making it ideal for seniors who prefer fuss-free gardening. Here's the concept. Take old or new hanging baskets and give them a fresh, colorful look using inexpensive Dollar Tree decorations like faux flowers, ribbons, moss, and even decorative butterflies. To start, line your basket with moss or fabric to create a soft base. Then, attach your faux flowers and other decorations using zip ties or craft glue. Both are easy to work with and don't require complicated tools. If you want a little extra charm, add some lightweight solar lights to make your basket glow softly at night. I know a lovely lady named Ellen who brightened up her front porch this way last spring. She said it was such a joy to have beautiful, colorful baskets without any heavy lifting or watering. Plus, she loves switching out the decorations with the seasons to keep things fresh and fun. Some tips to keep in mind. Use zip ties or glue for easy, secure attachments, and don't be afraid to change your decorations every few months to celebrate the seasons or holidays. Materials are simple and budget-friendly. Hanging baskets, faux flowers, ribbons, moss, and glue, all available at Dollar Tree or your local craft store. This makeover is quick, lightweight, and instantly adds a cheerful touch to your outdoor space, perfect for a relaxing gardening project that feels rewarding without the effort. Give this a try and watch your porch come alive with color and charm. Idea 5. DIY decorative pebble stepping stones. Finally, let's finish with a charming and practical project. DIY decorative pebble stepping stones. This craft lets you create personalized stepping stones using inexpensive pebbles, mosaic tiles from Dollar Tree, and quick-dry cement. It's a satisfying way to add both beauty and function to your garden paths or flower beds. Here's why seniors love this project. It's simple to do, with clear, rewarding results. Plus, you get to make something that lasts and enhances your outdoor space with your own personal touch. To start, pick up a quick-dry cement mix. Dollar Tree sometimes carries this, or you can find it at any local hardware store. Use shallow molds to shape your stones. Old baking pans or shallow trays work perfectly. Mix your cement according to the instructions, then pour it into the mold. Before the cement dries, press pebbles and colorful mosaic tiles into the surface to create your design. Let everything dry completely. This usually takes a day or two. Once dry, gently remove your stepping stone and place it along your garden path or nestled in your flower beds. It's an instant upgrade that adds personality and charm. I recall a sweet story about a senior couple, Harold and June, who made these stones together. They placed them around their rose bushes, and every visitor compliments the beautiful, colorful path they created. It became a cherished weekend activity for them and a lovely way to share time outdoors. A few tips. Always wear gloves to protect your hands from the cement. Keep your molds small enough to handle comfortably without strain, and take your time pressing the decorations so each stone feels just right. Materials are easy to gather. Cement mix, smooth pebbles, mosaic tiles from Dollar Tree, gloves, and molds you already have at home. These stepping stones are a wonderful way to add a personal touch to your garden, and they're sure to bring a smile every time you walk your path. Give this fun craft a try and watch your garden bloom with creativity and charm. Now, before we wrap up, I want to take a moment to address some common worries you might have. Maybe you're thinking, I don't have a green thumb, or I don't own a lot of tools, or even, my space is too small to make a difference. Well, let me reassure you, none of that matters for these projects. You don't need to be an expert gardener or have a garage full of fancy equipment to enjoy and succeed with these ideas. Each project is designed to be simple, gentle on the hands, and perfect for anyone, regardless of experience or mobility. Take your time with each step. There's absolutely no rush. Gardening is meant to be a relaxing, enjoyable journey, not a race. Whether you have a tiny balcony or a spacious backyard, you can adjust these ideas to fit your space and your comfort level. And here's a little secret. Even the smallest touches can bring big joy. Those simple painted rocks, the glow of your solar lanterns, or a colorful flower tower. They all combine to make your garden feel like a personal sanctuary, a little haven where you can unwind and feel proud. And remember, it's perfectly fine if your painted rocks don't look like masterpieces. Each one is unique, just like you. Sometimes the charming imperfections are what make your garden truly special. So, be kind to yourself, have fun, and enjoy every moment of creating your own outdoor oasis. You're doing something wonderful, and that's what counts most. Safety tips and practical advice before we finish. Let's go over some important safety tips to keep your gardening projects comfortable and worry-free. First, always wear gloves when handling paints, cement, or any sharp tools. Gloves protect your hands from irritation and keep you safe from accidental scratches or contact with chemicals. Whenever possible, work while seated to avoid unnecessary strain on your back and knees. A comfortable chair or stool can make a big difference in how you feel during your gardening sessions. Choose lightweight tools with cushioned grips. They're easier to hold and reduce hand fatigue, especially if you have arthritis or limited strength. Remember to stay hydrated, especially on warm days. Keep a water bottle nearby and take regular breaks to rest and cool down. Don't forget sun protection. Wear a wide-brimmed hat, apply sunscreen, and try to work in shaded areas during the hottest parts of the day to protect your skin. Lastly, be mindful if you have allergies or sensitivities to materials like glue, paint, or certain plants. Test a small amount first or use alternatives that feel safer for you. Taking these simple precautions will help you enjoy your gardening projects safely and comfortably. Your health and comfort are just as important as your beautiful garden. I'd love to hear from you. Do you have any favorite Dollar Tree garden hacks or simple DIY projects you've tried? Please share your ideas, photos, or even questions down in the comments or on our community tab. When we share our tips and stories, it creates such a warm, supportive, and creative gardening family. Together, we can inspire each other and make gardening even more enjoyable for everyone. So don't be shy, jump in, and let's keep growing this wonderful community of friends. If you enjoyed these easy and budget-friendly garden hacks, please give this video a like. It really helps support our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss new senior-friendly gardening tips and projects. And if you know someone who loves gardening on a budget, please share this video with them. Let's spread the joy of gardening to as many friends as possible. Gardening isn't just about plants. It's about nurturing your spirit, finding joy in the little things, and creating beauty that warms your heart. Every time you dig in the soil, paint a rock, or arrange a flower, you're making something truly wonderful, no matter the size of your space or your skill level. Thank you so much for spending this time with me here at Golden Years Lifestyle Hub. It means the world to have you as part of our gardening family. Wishing you happy gardening and many joyful, peaceful summer days ahead. Keep nurturing your garden and yourself with love and patience. Until next time, take care and enjoy every moment.